Lourdes Enterprises has touched many lives, di ba? So, ano yung mission and core values nyo? And ano yung gusto mong maramdaman ng mga taong uma-attend sa trainings na ino-organize nyo?
So for us in Lourdes, we really want personal education and personal finance to be accessible and available and affordable to as many Filipinos. So ang dami naming mga events na ang mura lang, like 3,000 or below 5,000. We even we have events na 1,000 and below lang. So because we really want to bring as many Filipinos as we can to this kind of events and help them shift their mindset and their beliefs, okay? Or remove their limiting beliefs. And another thing, for those who are ready, for people like you na ready na to scale, kumaga, tapos ka na sa basic alam mo na kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin. So we want to awaken in you your genius, your brilliance, and let you see what else you can do right now. Really support you in your scaling up, not just in terms of your business, in terms of your money, but you as the individual. It's actually very important that you scale up as well. So yung inner guidance mo, nandoon, isa-solidify, mas palalilimin or papatatagin natin yung foundation mo. So what do we want every participant to feel every time that they are attending an event of Lourdes? We want them to feel that this event is really created for them, to support them for whatever it is that they are wanting to have in their lives. And also, on the part of Lourdes also, we want them to see na, hey, we can do events like this, you know, na kaya natin gumawa ng mga international level events, and that all these international speakers naman na dinadala namin, we already brought Robert Kiyosaki, that was in 2015, Gary Vaynerchuk in 2018, Chris Gardner, the man behind Pursuit of Happiness, Vishen Lakhiani and Ken Honda, we brought them last year. Okay, so that's what I meant by making this kind of events and this thought leaders na wow, parang pangarap mo lang, iniidolo mo lang, pero paano mo nga ba sila mamimit na hindi ganun kamahal?
Yeah.
So we're the one bridging that to you, that you are, you got the capacity or you have the ability or the opportunity to actually meet all these leaders, okay, na nasa seminar industry, yung mga thought leaders sa mga pina-follow mo without you shelling out too much money.
Yes. So, ibig sabihin, Ma'am Joanna, for personality development, it's more on clarity.
Yes, yes.
Clarity. And marami kasing tao, magaling naman talaga sila, they are skilled, pero hindi nila alam, kailangan pala nilang i-improve ang personality ang personality nila.
Yes. It's our internal guidance din natin kasi yun And it helps us kasi kapag when you are working on your personal development, it's not because masama kang tao, but you recognize that as a human being, hindi talaga tayo equipped with everything. But we have the capability to actually gain something with what we currently have. And sabi nga, paano ka magiging successful sa isang bagay kung hindi mo rin siya aaralin. So as you are dreaming na mas malaki yung income na papasok sa'yo, mas malaki yung sales na papasok sa'yo, you already mentioned it kanina, you also have to be a bigger person. You have to be the bigger container.
Yes.
Dapat nagsasabay, if not naman, mas malaki ka. Kumbaga, parang right now, what you're hoping is to have 1 million. Okay? So, dapat yung container mo ready to receive multi-millions. Hindi lang million. Right? So that you'll be able to really handle it well and produce it more. Kasi I honestly believe the reason that we are all given a specific or set of talents and skills, it's not just for us, hindi lang para sa kabutihan natin, but para rin sa ibang tao. And we become blessed. Kumbaga parang papansin, oy, bakit siya ang dami niyang blessing na natatanggap? Okay? That person is more blessed kasi alam niya kung paano and-nurture yung blessing. When you receive something, okay, nagamit mo siya for your own good, but you also know how to use it for the goodness of other people. Now, the blessing multiplies. Kasi alam ni God na kaya kanyang pagkatiwala. Alam mo the parable of talent? Diba sa Bible? Na yung binigyan sila ng seeds, and then the other just wasted it, but this one person,
Walang ginawa yung iba.
yes, the parable of talent. So totoo talaga yun eh. When God or your divine creator sees na kaya mong pangalagaan
Palaguin.
at palaguin, and that you can also be a blessing to other people because of the blessing na in-entrust niya sa'yo, more will be given to you.
Yes.
Yes,
And totoo yun, kasi yun nga, hindi ka rin ibe-bless if wala kang gagawin.
exactly.
May kaakibat siyang hard work.
Yes.
And yung maganda pa doon, yun nga, sa personality development, habang lumalaki tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga fear, mga doubts, mga worries. So, minsan doon nagmumula yung mga limiting beliefs.
Yes.
Na minsan gusto mong matupad tong pangarap mo, pero hindi mo makuha yung mga billions. It's because you have the limiting beliefs na kailangan mong matutunan sa personality development training.
Yes.
Diba?
Kumbaga parang the personality development is going to be your tool. The seminar and workshop is going to be the tool for you to uncover and discover ano yung missing or what else you need to do. So, yan yung importance siya sa life.
Oo. So, kung gusto niyo malaman, attend kayo ng training.
Yes.
Kasi hindi natin mapapagkasya ngayon lahat ng mga kailangan natin matutunan.